such a hot day, Morphle. We should have an ice cream. Ooh, ice cream. Huh? What's that?
That's my new magic pet. He loves the cold.
That's not a magic pet, Daddy. It's a penguin.
What? Ah, so that's why it didn't seem to have any magic powers.
We should bring it back to the South Pole. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon.
I can't believe I thought that poor penguin was a magic pet. Thank you for helping, Mila and Morphle. I already found a new magic pet for the Magic Pet store. This time, I'm sure I got it right.
That's great, Morphle.
Hey, Mila and Morphle. Have you seen Atmo today?
No, I haven't. No.
He's missing. Oh, can you help me find him?
Of course, Daddy.
Great. I'll look over here.
Morphle, morph into...
Whoa!
Daddy! We need to catch him. Morph into a dump truck.
Whoa! 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 Phew! Thanks, Morphle.
What happened, Daddy?
Well, I found Atmo.
Let's go after it. Why would Atmo do all this?
Morphle! Over here!
Lawrence!
Can you put me back on the ground, please?
Of course! Morphle, morph into a robot.
Not in my city. Ah!
Morphle, help!
Ah! Oh, ground, sweet ground. Ah, thanks, Mila and Morphle. I was really close to catching the bandits when that wind blew me away.
The bandits? Uh-oh. Let's go after them, Morphle.
I'll be right behind you.
And he's been captured by the bandits.
Huh?
It's so easy to steal with Atmo's powers.
Yeah, and to blow away the police officer as well.
Stop it, bandits.
Oh, it's Mila and Morphle.
We'll use Atmo's powers to stop them. Let's see what what it takes to blow you away.
It's not working, Stein.
If we can't blow him away, we'll just need to suck him up. We can make it even stronger.
You need to anchor yourself in the ground.
We need more wind.
I don't think we should do that, Stein.
The only way to stop the tornado is to free Atmo. We need to go after them.
Uh-oh. Phew. You caught them. Great. Oh.
Aw. Let's have a contest and see who can build the tallest tower of snow. All right, me and Sarah against Morphle and Mila. Atmo, will you be the judge? Let's go! Morphle, morph into a digger. Oh no, they're way too fast. What do we do? Hooray for Atmo! Great job, Morphle. Now let's check on April and Sarah. Hi, Mila and Morphle. What? How did that happen? Oh, I see. You helped them a little, didn't you, Atmo? Let's go check out their tower, Sarah.
Look, Yorn. That's a really cool tower, and there's no one inside.
Do you think we can take it?
Definitely.
Your tower looks wonderful, Mila. Thank you. Hey, who threw that?
We did!
No fair. Morph into a robot and stop them, Morphle.
Hold me, Stein.
Not again!
Hey, bandits. You can have our tower if you want.
Yes, we will take your tower. Come, Yorn.
Yeah.
Enjoy Enjoy your new tower.
Welcome everyone to our annual building battle. The team who builds the biggest tower wins this trophy.
But we can't have it falling down and hurting someone. So, make sure your tower is as stable as a house. Did you hear that, Yorn? The winner of this building battle gets that shiny trophy.
Let's join, Stein. We'll be the winners for sure. Yeah.
Ready, set.
Oh, no. I mean, go.
Morphle, morph into a helicopter.
Wow, your tower is already so tall.
Thank you, Sarah.
Oh no, Stein. The other towers are way higher than our tower.
I have an idea. Follow me. The professor always has all kinds of gadgets. I'm sure he must have something like... Aha! A growth ray.
What does it do, Stein?
Take a wild guess.
Okay, I get it. Please make me small again.
Now, let's use this on our tower.
Oh, you're so smart, Stein.
All right, Yorn. Distract everyone so I can use the growth ray.
A distraction? Oh. Hey, everyone! Look over there! A distraction!
Where?
That certainly is a fine distraction.
Oh, wow. That actually worked.
Something smells fishy here.
Well, I think it's clear who the winners are. That's the biggest tower I've ever seen.
Congratulations. Yes! We won something.
Finally! Yeah!
Tumbling test tubes. That's my growth ray. You cheated. You already gave us the trophy.
Yeah! No takesies backsies!
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Oh.
Shh! Please be quiet. Telefox is sleeping.
I think Telefox has a bad dream.
What happened?
Look, we've been teleported into space.
Don't worry, Telefox. You didn't do it on purpose, and Morphle can bring us home again.
Yeah! Oh no! There are a lot of asteroids about to hit the store. Morphle, morph into a robot. Too many! Morphle, morph into a big shield around the storm. You did it, Morphle! Now we can go home. But I can't see Earth anywhere. Look! Hi, Mr. Alien.
Oh, hello, fellow aliens.
Do you know the way to Earth?
Sure, Earth is that way.
Thank you. Daddy, Earth is that way.
Great! Let's go. Oh no!
Daddy! Stop it! We're not food!
Phew! That was close.
Stop right there. We are space pirates. Give us that house you have.
No, that's Daddy's Magic Pet Store.
Yeah.
Then we'll just have to take it.
Careful, Morphle. So many. Morphle, morph into the shield again.
Oh no!
Mila and Morphle, I can see Earth again.
Yippee!
You did it. Thank you, Morphle.
Mila, Morphle, there you are. I have built a rocket. Do you want to go to space with me?
No thanks, Professor Rashid. We've seen enough of space for today.
Huh?
Look, Morphle, there it is! The greatest water slide ever!
Yeah!
That's a pretty long line. Good thing we brought our tickets, right, Morphle? Well, where are they?
Morphle no have. Mila have tickets.
I don't have them. I thought you took them. They must still be at home on the table.
Well, well, well. Did you hear that yawn? Looks like Mila doesn't have a ticket.
Yeah. No ticket means no slide.
So please move out of our way.
We do have tickets. Could you please hold our place in line while we go get them?
No way. We're not going to help you. If you leave, we can go on the slide first.
Oh, yeah.
Ugh. Hey, Morphle, I have an idea. You go pick up the tickets, and I'll keep our spot. Get back quickly, Morphle.
Huh? That's not fair. Hey, everybody! This girl has no ticket. She shouldn't be in the line.
Is that you, Morphle? Could you help me real quick?
Okay.
I'm trying to build a bookcase, but I can't find my saw anywhere. Could you help me, Morphle?
Okay, Morphle help. Okay, Morphle go now. Bye.
But I can't build a bookcase with these.
Can everybody who has a ticket please raise their hand?
What's the matter, Mila? No ticket?
Oh no!
What? Oh, not in my city.
Morphle, you were breaking a lot of rules back there.
Morphle, sorry, but Morphle needs go to Mila fast.
That's no excuse, Morphle. You need to slow down.
Twice ago?
Yeah, that's better.
Hey there, Mila. Do you have your ticket?
No, she doesn't.
Well, you see...
Mila!
Morphle!
Right, in you go.
Lucky.
Tickets, please.
Yawn, give him our tickets.
But I thought you had them.
Oh, boy.
I think that was an earthquake, Morphle.
Oh no!
I hope everything is all right.
Oh, Mila!
Let's check it out. I wonder where it goes. Let's explore it. Morphle, morph into a monster truck. It's pretty dark down here. Morphle, morph a big headlight on the roof. All right, let's search the cave.
Uh-oh!
Let's go left. Oops, sorry.
Hey, Mila and Morphle. Say, do you know who made this hole?
Nope, we're trying to find that out as well.
That's good, because they also took my building materials.
We'll keep an eye out for them. Let's go, Morphle.
Mila, someone created this hole and took the magic pet food.
Oh, dear. Let's find that person quickly, Morphle. Look, Morphle. It's the Earthshark. Don't be scared, Earthshark. We're not mad. You only took those things to build a home for your family. That's so cute. Morphle, let's help them build a great home. Morph into a crane.
Need an extra hand?
enjoy your new home.
But next time, please just ask if you need any help.
And now, I guess we have some holes to fix.
I think he wants to help us.
Great! Then we'll be done in no time.
Okay, this is the last hole.
Thanks for all the help, and good luck with your new home. Bye-bye. Oh no, what happened here?
Those are time portals. Tumbling test tubes. How did this happen? These items don't belong here. Someone must be looking for them.
We should bring them back to their own time.
What a good idea, Mila. This little machine is looking really high-tech.
Yeah, it must be from the future.
You're right. Let's go there then. First stop, the future.
Yeah!
Ah!
Wait a minute. This doesn't look like the future.
Ah!
Oh no, that man over there is in trouble. Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl.
Oh, thank you so much for saving me, fellow time travelers. You won't believe what happened. I was just researching these grounds when suddenly my time remote was gone.
Is this yours, perhaps?
Oh, yes! Thank you very much. Oh, now I can get home.
All right, keep your hands inside the vehicle. Next stop will be the medieval times.
Yeah, let's bring back the sword. This doesn't look like the right time for a medieval sword.
That's because this isn't the medieval times. What went wrong with this machine?
That's it. That's my family's heirloom sword. They stole it!
Family heirloom?
We didn't steal it. We came to bring it back.
That's what all thieves say. Policeman, arrest him!
Oh, no!
Well, at least the sword is back with its owner. But I don't understand why nothing works today.
Don't beat yourself up, Professor. We only have one item left.
That's true. Well, let's see where we end up now.
We're here! The medieval times.
Phew, finally. It was a bit of a detour, but we're here.
But I wonder where the egg is from.
Tumbling test tubes. Why is everybody running? Oh.
Oh,
You had the dragon's egg. Please, give it back to the dragon. Hurry!
oh, so that's a mommy dragon searching for her egg.
We need to give it back, but how?
Morphle, morph into a dragon too.
Phew.
Hey, you.
Who is this?
Orphle, is that you?
So, you're the reason why everything went wrong today.
Because of you, this mommy dragon almost lost her baby. Well, there were some problems, but now everyone has their things back.
Well, I sure hope Orphle has learned his lesson.